Hayabusa begins here. Raw steel, inspected at micrometer precision.
These sheets will become the Hayabusa's iconic aerodynamic body.
Each press stroke forms a piece of pure performance.
Every opening, every angled retina, cut by light itself.
A stable beast needs a perfect spine. The Hayabusa's frame starts here. Multiple weld points fused in milliseconds for maximum rigidity. Strength is locked in through rapid temperature control. 1 micron off, the frame gets rejected instantly. Hayabusa's curves are engineered for both beauty and speed.
The Hayabusa awakens. Next, its body will form.
Parts ready. Assembly phase begins next. The Hayabusa heart begins as liquid metal. Each cylinder carved at nanometer accuracy.
This crankshaft must survive 190 plus horsepower.
Strength comes from controlled cooling. Timing that can never fail, even at extreme RPM. Frictionless movement is the goal.
Smooth surfaces Dwayne maximum power.
Now the Hayabusa heart beats. No leaks allowed, not even microscopic. Stay with us. The true legend forms in the next stage. The heart roars for the first time. The Hayabusa form begins taking shape. No scratches allowed, listen, ever.
Signature sheen comes from micro-metallic particles.
Even thickness tongue bed, 0.0005 millimeters across.
Instant hardening Twativ, showroom class finish. The Hayabusa is ready for assembly.
Keep pumping.
All right, opening it now. Clear, closing.
Solid.
Before this machine touches the road, every bolt, every wire, every panel is shaped by human hands.
Surface clean. Alignment perfect.
Every structural bolt is tightened by trained hands. No machines, no shortcuts.
This shield protects the rider from engine heat, placed with precision only a human can guarantee.
Before this beast hits 300 kilometers per hour, the chain must run perfectly smooth. Clean air means clean power. The intake is installed with obsessive care.
Even one drop out of place could affect performance levels. Humans verify what machines can't hear.
This signature exhaust note is born in hands, not machines.
Rider comfort relies on the craftsmanship of a steady human touch.
Hydraulic feel is tested by hand because performance isn't just numbers, it's sensation. The final body lines are shaped human to machine panned, creating the Hayabusa's iconic form.
Before the Hayabusa roars for the first time, a final human inspection confirms she's ready.
Pumping the brakes now.
All right, I'm opening the bleeder valve. Looks good.
Rear secured. Chain and oil checked.
Before the world's fastest production bike hits the road, it must survive the most demanding human-only assembly line ever built.
Suspension calibration must be perfect. Millimeter adjustments decide stability at 300 kilometers per hour.
Every Hayabusa's rear shock is tuned by hand, ensuring identical performance across all units.
Brake alignment is verified 3 separate times, because at top speed, perfection isn't optional. Fuel delivery must withstand extreme acceleration forces. Any weakness is unacceptable.
Exhaust temperature sensors ensure the engine breathes correctly under full throttle.
Engine personality is written here. Torque, throttle response, and power band mapping.
Each display is calibrated for clarity and night visibility, ensuring zero distraction at high speed.
Rider posture defines confidence. Each angle is set for perfect aerodynamic stance.
Before testing, the Hayabusa must pass a human perfection check. No robots, no shortcuts.
Power calibration test initiated, preparing for controlled acceleration.
Monitoring thermal load, combustion stability, and top-end performance.
ABS calibration, stopping distance, traction response.
Cornering stability optimal. Monitoring gyroscopic balance.
Suspension compression and rebound within factory tolerance.
Confirming high turbulence at the front fairing. Adjusting injection rate now.
Copy that. Increasing power by 5%.